Donald Trump, I'm posting this video in response to your message on Truth Social, accusing Haitian immigrants and particularly TPS recipients of murder. My name is Farah Larrieux. I'm a TPS recipient from Haiti. It is so malicious of you to use a tragic event to tarnish once again the reputation of Haitian immigrants. When a white American man commits a murder, does that mean all Americans are criminals? I'm tired of your harassment against Haitians. The fact that you are a son of immigrants who were born in the US because you have money and today you are the president of the United States does not give you the right to treat anyone like trash, to lie about them, and to bully immigrants as you wish. This has to stop. You may have the power today, but the God that I serve has more power than you, and he's watching you. I'm very sorry and sad to see how that woman lost her life in this horrific way. No one deserves this. I present my prayers and condolences to her family and loved ones. Her attacker must be severely punished. Anyone who commits crime, regardless of their immigration status, their country of origin, the color of their skin, their social status, and their political power, must pay for their action. However, when you, Donald, are using this situation to justify your discriminatory campaign against an immigrant community, you have gone too far, and you must stop. You must know that to be granted TPS, a recipient must maintain a clean record. In contrast to you, who have been found guilty of 34 felony counts. Donald, just like your grandfather Friedrich Trump, who was a German immigrant, just like your mother Marianne, who was a Scottish immigrant, and just like your ex-wife Ivana and your current wife Melania, who are both immigrants, we Haitians have the same rights to live the American dream. We will continue to fight for our rights, dignity, justice, and equal treatment. To all Americans and the people around the world who stand with Haitians, I thank you very much, and I love you. Thank you.